Hi all! In today's Ammi Samail's recipe video, I am going to show you all how to make granola bars. For that, I am using these ingredients. I have taken Ammi Samail's jowar flakes, Ammi Samail's bajra flakes. Both are highly nutritious and healthy. I have taken honey, I have taken Nutella, some dry fruits like dried grapes, cashew, black grapes, pista, dates and vanilla essence. Now firstly I am going to dry roast both the flakes and all the dry fruits. In a pan I am going to dry roast 1 cup of jowar flakes and 1 cup of bajra flakes. I am going to saute it for a few minutes until the raw smell fades. Now that's done. Now here I have added all the dry fruits. Here I have also added some badam and peanuts. You can also add a teaspoon of ghee for that extra flavor in the dry fruits. Now this is done. Now just like when baking a cake, we add all the wet ingredients first and then mix the dry ingredients. I am now taking 2 tablespoons of Nutella. You can opt for any chocolate spread or you can also use chocolate sauce. Now these wet ingredients act like a binding agent for the granola bars. It holds all the nuts and the flakes that we are using. Now I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of honey. You can always alter the quantity according to your taste. I'm then going to add dates. I've taken about 10 dates, some vanilla essence. Now I'm going to give it all a good mix and I'm going to mash the dates so that it blends well along with the Nutella and honey. Now this is done. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. I'm firstly going to add the grapes. Now I'm going to add all the roasted nuts. I have crushed them into tiny chunks so that it's easier for me to mix. Finally, I'm adding the roasted flakes. I've used Ammi Samail's bajra flakes and jowar flakes. Now it's time to mix and mix. This is how it looks once it's mixed. You can see that the Nutella, honey, vanilla essence and dates have helped the nuts and the jowar flakes and the bajra flakes to blend well. I'm going to rest it for some time so that all the wetness is soaked in the flakes and nuts. And finally I'm going to transfer it to a tray which I have greased with some ghee. I've taken a steel plate here. Now I'm going to give it all a good press. I want a thick bar, so I have pushed it all to one side, you can see, and I'm going to tap it nicely so that it sits firmly. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 5 hours. After about 5 hours of refrigeration, this is how it looks. Now it is time for us to cut this into pieces. You can see that it is firm, it is beautifully set. I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to cut. Oh my god, look at this, it looks so yummy and it is perfectly set. It is chewy, crunchy, tastes so yum. These granola bars are super yummy, super healthy. In case if you find it difficult to cut them into pieces, you can always make some round balls like these. Let us call it as granola laddus. It's a new term that we are going to be using from now onwards. Ammi Samayal's Granola Laddus. I cannot tell you all how yummy it tastes. Since Nutella has sugar in it, I have avoided using sugar. You can also skip using Nutella and use something like peanut butter or anything of your choice. Please do give it a try and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you want to shop Ammi Samayal's products, then please visit www.ammisamayal.com and check out our various other products like oils, spices, lentils and many more. You can also download our mobile app through Play Store. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope you like this video and we are going to come up with something new next time. See you. Bye.